Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to place an image on your website that you are developing. So for us to begin with, we have an an element called img, standing for image. If we put that, it means that we are putting an image on our website. So img, uh, img, enter, provide us source. And then if we just, what this source means, this element means that we are putting an image on our website. This is where do you want to get the image on our website, or where do you want to get this image? This image is where um I'm gonna go and grab my image. I think my image is, so this is my image. Let me just open that. This face is so handsome. Anyway, that is just it. I'm gonna grab this and then I'm gonna put it on the net, on my website. So I'm gonna say 0.jpg. Now please make sure you put the dot over here, and let's save that. Open in browser, and then boom, this is that handsome face. This is called Lucky. Anyways, looking at you with that face of his. By the way, this is um, how to place an image on your website, and then you can be able to do whatever you want to do with it. You just put the img on the image. You can also put a link on your image. Do you know that? I just say a what am I doing? A where are we linking to? Let's just say we are linking to link or structure.html. Right, and then we'll put this image inside the anchor link, and then if we just save that to refresh, did you see? If you click it, nothing happened. Neither does the cursor change. But if I just refresh that, check what happened. You see, the cursor changes, meaning that we can click on it, and if you click on it, it comes here. Welcome to Web System Network. Wow, we just put an image. We just put an image on our website, put a link on it. When we click it, it link us to some other site. That is so beautiful, man. And do you know that this is what most people do? How about you just maybe for Facebook, you just put the image, the Facebook image. When they click on the Facebook image, they put them. It goes straight to to your Facebook account. It takes them to your Facebook pages, or it takes them to your LinkedIn network and all that. So this is how it is being done. Well, that is just what I wanted to teach you guys on how to place image. The next thing I'll be teaching you is how to put a table on your website. So thank you for sticking with me. Hopefully next time we will meet again. And please don't forget to subscribe, because it really helps. I'll be teaching you a lot of this thing, and with you coming to view and subscribe, it really means a lot. I appreciate that.